In this video we are talking about if XRP can explode to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels again. As you can see, we are between these two very interesting areas. On the one hand, we have this demand zone right here, where we saw this move to the upside. And as we came back into this demand zone, we saw this bullish move to the upside. And on the other hand, we have this supply zone right here. And from the supply zone, we saw this move to lower levels and made a lower low. And as we came back into the supply zone, we saw this rejection again to the downside. But right now I'm more bullish because we are seeing this bullish trend to the upside with higher lows all the way and higher highs. So this is a quite bullish signal. And as you go on the daily time frame, you can see that we came back into this demand zone and we saw a bullish reaction. And we also broke the smaller supply zone to the upside. And right now we are consolidating since November and we built a range low right here and this range high. So I think that this range will decide if we are breaking to the upside or to the downside. Because if we are breaking this one to the downside with a daily or weekly body close, then I think the chances high that we will see even lower prices. But we have to find acceptance under this lows, because if we just see a wick right here and the body close into this area right here, because then the chances also high that we see a liquidity grab and a move to the opposite direction. And if we're breaking this range high to the upside with a daily or weekly body close, then I think the chances high that we will see an explosion to the upside. But as I said, I think the chances higher that we are going to the upside, because as I said, we are seeing higher lows all the way. And especially if Bitcoin is also going to the upside, the chance that XRP is also going to the upside is very high. And for the mid and long term, I'm very bullish on XRP because I think that XRP has a very high potential. So I'm way more bullish to go to the upside. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like XRP, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. And if we're breaking this range high to the upside, then I think the chances high that we see a move into this supply zone. And then it will decide if we're breaking this supply zone also to the upside with a daily or weekly body close. Then I think the chances high for a real explosion for XRP. But if anything interesting happens for XRP, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on XRP. So all in all, as I said, I think the chances higher that we go to the upside because we have higher lows here all the way and we make higher highs. And as I said, I think this range will decide if we're breaking to the upside or to the downside. If we're breaking this range low to the downside and find acceptance here, then I think the chances high that we will see even lower prices. But if we're breaking this range high to the upside with strong bullish momentum, then I think the chances high for an explosion. Then I think the chances high that we can came into this supply zone. And if we are also breaking this supply zone to the upside, then I think the chances high for a real explosion for XRP. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.